Host, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode of Kitchen Essentials. Today, we have something truly special for all the breakfast enthusiasts out there. We are here to talk about the Belgian waffle maker with adjustable temperature control and non-stick plates. Get ready to indulge in mouth-watering waffles that are guaranteed to elevate your breakfast game to a whole new level. So, let's dive right in. Upbeat background music. Host, the Belgian waffle maker is a game changer when it comes to creating delicious, fluffy waffles right in the comfort of your own home. Its adjustable temperature control feature allows you to customize the level of crispiness and browning you desire. Whether you prefer a soft and golden waffle or a crispy, round masterpiece, this waffle maker has got you covered. Guessed, that's right, host. The adjustable temperature control is a fantastic feature. It gives you full control over the cooking process, ensuring that your waffles turn out just the way you like them. Plus, it's super easy to use. You can set the temperature using a simple dial, making it convenient for both novice and experienced cooks. Host, absolutely, guessed. And let's not forget about the non-stick plates. The Belgian waffle maker features non-stick plates that make waffle removal a breeze. No more struggling with sticky waffle batter or worrying about your waffles getting stuck to the surface. The non-stick plates ensure that your waffles effortlessly slide out, leaving you with perfectly formed waffle squares or rectangles, depending on the shape of the waffle maker you choose. Guessed, that's a game changer, host. With the non-stick plates, cleaning up becomes a breeze too. You won't have to spend hours scrubbing away burnt-on batter or dealing with stubborn residue. Just wipe the plates with a damp cloth or sponge, and you're good to go. It's a real time saver, especially on those busy mornings when you're rushing to get things done. Host, absolutely, guessed. Time is precious, and the Belgian waffle maker understands that. Now, let's talk about versatility. This waffle maker allows you to experiment with different recipes and flavors. You can go beyond the traditional waffle batter and get creative. How about adding some chocolate chips, berries, or even bacon to your waffle mix? The possibilities are endless, and this waffle maker gives you the freedom to explore them all. Guest, oh, host, you're making my mouth water with all these delicious ideas. The Belgian waffle maker truly elevates the breakfast experience. And don't worry about portion sizes either. With this waffle